Yeah, it's a chicken. It's a rooster. I got this 2 years ago in Hawaii. We got Tango shirts now. I got those 2 Tango shirts, okay? They're in the wash. Okay? I can wear a rooster shirt. It's like 12 hours away by airplane from here, dude. Really? You want me to switch shirts? I'm not. I'm wearing this shirt tonight. You can get over it. I'll wear Tango next time. Is that okay? Yeah. See? I mean, you guys kind of resemble each other. They have yellow beak. You have a black beak. You have like the red up here, like they do. Oh, you're sad I called you a rooster? Now you're mad I called you a rooster? What are you? A Moluccan cockatoo? Tango the cockatoo? Yeah, Tango the cockatoo. Yeah. You can be as loud as they are. They're loud in the mornings. When you're yelling like you are, they get loud too. What do you think?